Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. I hope everyone's doing well. Okay, so this next video is on refining the awareness. When you're practicing the initiation step one exercises, observing the rising, falling away of thoughts, there's this very clear relationship between the observing mind and the observed, so your mental landscape. So as you quietly watch your thoughts arise and fall away, there's a type of detachment process where you start to recognize, wait a sec, I'm not these thoughts, I'm not these emotions, I'm not this body, I'm pure consciousness. So this refinement of the mind that happens just through this type of mindfulness, of observing the rising, falling away of your thoughts, it generates a platform for all your further practice in the initiation process. So this is an exercise which you integrate into your life in every aspect for the continuity of your whole life. It's not step one mental training, do this for a few weeks and then move on. It's an exercise which becomes a fabric of who and what you are. So as you go through this process of observing the rising and falling away, you'll notice step one, that there's a separation between observer, observed, the thoughts. The next step happens that the thoughts get a feeling as if they're coming from far away. Next thing that happens is there's an accumulation of stillness around the observer. So thoughts need to penetrate your stillness to get to you. So you can choose what you're going to let in, what you're going to not let in, and so forth. You get a type of protective chi, protective spiritual mind substance that recognizes what's best for your spiritual development, what's best for your evolution, and you are on this type of unconscious level letting that into the mind stream and rejecting everything else. So when this starts to happen, you know that you're practicing correctly. Your lower habits, your lower addictions start dropping away, and your pull towards your spiritual values, your spiritual practices increases as a result. Okay, so I hope this helps with the step one mental training, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.